Okay, hello everyone. My name is Aditya Bayu Putranto. I am an Associate Technical Advisor of Synex Metro Data Indonesia. And today, we will learn about client monitoring at Virtual Smart Zone. So, the prerequisite about this activity is the access point must already broadcast SSID and the user must already connected to SSID. Let's go to the access point. In here, my laptop already connected to this SSID SmartZone test, and the client should show it here. Here, my IP address, and this is the client monitoring is already here. And in here, you can deauthorize and you can block the client and you can disconnect this client. So you can monitor about this client. And beside this all, you can also do troubleshooting about this MAC address. So this troubleshoot is if the client already connected and then disconnect, you can troubleshoot the connection in here. Okay, this is about client monitoring, and I hope this is informative for you, and thank you for viewing.